Oh, good lord, we're back. So, I think we have enough PSI to air this one lawnmower tire, right? Because I want to see if it holds air. Well, I can't do it with one hand, so let's go over here. I got both of them off. I'll show you in a second. So again, I shut the video off for like a second. Then I closed it out. This is off the rim, huh? I don't know how to put it on the rim. Okay. It's gonna run off. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, this thing's dry right the heck with that. It does that. I give it a slight little tap. So this stuff around here is a little special. Could redneck it up, but just why am I doing that? Well, we don't really need this tire anyway. Oh, good lord, which one's my new one? Lord, mercy. So here's my good ones. I got enough air in to kill a man. Oh! What is that, a fucking washer? Why is there a washer over here? Washing on sandwiches everywhere. You didn't even work. There's no inner on you. I'll show you guys my official tire removal for lawnmower tools. Busted up the rim. Son of a bitch. Oh, my good one. Is this the good one? It has to be. There's my spacer. Spacer's done. You little sack of shit. This one's the good one. This can't be my good. I had that motherfucker aired yesterday. I won't say how long. I sure don't have any washers that just want to fly off and eat me. Yeah. This was fun. This is good. These two right here are fucking fantastic. I don't know how to get these on the fucking rim. I got a problem on the rim now. Pop on there. Two good, three. I don't know how to count anymore. Just making sure I wasn't just talking to a fucking grinder. That's my camera stand. My redneck tire put her on her. Wait, show you guys my. These are officials. This is official tools to take a tire off. There's a big black nipple looking thing that covers up the tire. You hear me? So take this, take that off. Try not to rip it off. You take this, put one. Put one of these on that. Take the other side and just where this doesn't run off. So, yeah. Keep gonna pull them. I keep having to pull the sleeve off. Killing me. Now, I don't know how long those tires right there are gonna hold air. So, I'm gonna find a different tool. Oh, it won't go. Oh, like 10 seconds ago. Where the fuck did you go? There it is. There's PSI in this thing. At 25. Oh, 25 is enough, but. It's gonna be a problem. I don't know if this tire's gonna work anyways, because it's just right around it. Draw right. This tire ain't gonna work anyways. No. There's no space around it. I got the first part done. I wish I could fire it up, but I can't get the jumper cables. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna have to wait till somebody comes on with jumper cables. Because we're locked up in my uncle's car. And his ass does not want to get up. See what it is. There ain't no jumper cable down here at all. What I'm gonna have to do is leave my lawnmower like that until they get home. Then I'm going to have to take 2 bars and bend these upwards because they're they look a little funky when they drive. You look like a vehicle that's really fucking stanced. I mean, stanced to hell and back. I mean, you guys seen them. So what we're going to do, we're going to play the waiting game. Whichever tires work the best. I think this one right here is going to work the best. 2 of them is going back on that. 2 of them. Then I got $35 in my pocket. I'm going to go purchase a back tire. I gotta find out what size these are. Size are they? I get low down for this little son of a bitch. They're 18 by 9 by fucking what? 18 by 9.5 by fucking what the fuck? These ones back here dry really a little bit too. I wonder Jackie size is. These ones over here hold pretty damn good. I can't make this video more than like 15 minutes long. Or I can't even make it 15 minutes long because I was going to deal with that tire. But look at the inside of it. I don't like it. Brand new tires out here. This motherfucker runs. Like if we had a battery in it, some gas, we could probably drive it all day long. Just front tires look a little funky. That's the reason I'm trying to get 4 fixed. I mean, there is a big fucking tire right here, but it's for a go-kart. And here's that thing. New headlights. Here's that thing. There's Nissan symbol on it. Jackie put his Nissan symbol on it because his Nissan blew the fuck up. Oh shit, I forgot I ain't got steel toe anymore. Kick that. Wouldn't that look cool? Couldn't turn for shit, almost fell. Couldn't turn for shit, I mean, but it looked pretty cool. I'm wearing rubber boots and I stepped on glass. I don't know what was wrong with my stomach earlier, but damn, it felt like I was dying from the inside. Plus, my stomach's been upset lately because of stuff been going on. It sucks ass. It's the worst part about it, my stomach can get upset and I can't fucking concentrate on Jack Billy squat. Just looking around for lawnmower tires. That's an oil filter under there. Sure wish I had an oil change for that. That butt ugly looking thumb bitch right there. I keep looking at that tire back there. I'm like, yes, that would look fucking epic. And I'm like, oh yeah, it won't fit. I wonder if there's any more parts in here. Because you can put a whole fucking truck together with what's back here. I mean, big bumper. Well, I'm gonna end this video. See y'all.